Hello guys, ayan, pakita ko lang to sa inyo or i-vlog ko lang to sandali. Yung gagawin kong butter shrimp with garlic. Nilagay ko na, hindi ko na na-picture or na-video yung una. But ano yan, nilagay ko na yung garlic with butter and then shrimp. Okay, and then paluto na ata to guys. Hindi ko naisipan kanina na i-vlog to eh. Ayan. Gagawa na lang ako next time full video. Mag-add lang ako ng konting vinegar at konting parsley. So, ayan, ready na yan. Okay na yan. Mix natin. O, diba? This is my ulam for today. For today's video, this is my ulam. Garlic butter shrimp. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. And that's it.